Here is a typical type of tensile testing machine, which is designed for tension, compression, flexure, and shear strength testing on materials and assemblies. This is a Tinius Olsen 50 ST model. The company was started originally in Norway, and now the headquarters is in the States. The fixed head of the machine is connected to the lower of the frame. The moving crosshead is connected to the sideway beams. The upper grip is connected to moving crosshead through this S-shaped load cell, which measures the load and transfers the load data through this cable to the computer. Various types of tensile testing machine have different types of gripping mechanism. Among them is this wedge type gripping mechanism. The specimen is fixed between lower and upper grip, and then the tensile load is applied on this specimen. A variety of load cells are provided at different capacities. During the test, load and displacement data are transferred to the computer. The software in the computer controls the whole machine. The displacement is measured by a displacement sensor that is measuring the displacement of the upper crosshead in this specific tensile testing. And the data, as you can see, is transferred to the computer. Similar to force measurement, there are a variety of displacement measurements to cover the measurement of specimens from small ones to the full machine capacity ones. Here you see some specimens, prepared dog bone specimens made of aluminum and epoxy in the lab, and a broken one on the right with the caliper. The measurement of the final length with the caliper will help to calculate. Some testing machines become complete powerful test systems with the addition of grips to hold the specimens, measurement instrumentation, and the software.